Hello and welcome, lovers of art and history. Today, under the historic Ethiopian sky, we bridge two massive cultural milestones. On one side, we have the legendary Teddy Afro, who knocks on the doors of history through his melodies. On the other, we have Megab Hattie's Dr. Rhodas Taddies, a scholar who unlocks ancient mysteries through his writings. What connects Teddy Afro's Etorika with the book launch of Dr. Rhodas's Melk SL? What are the hidden historical secrets in the lyrics, and what profound truths lie between the pages of the book? Stay with us until the end of this program to find out. Etorika, the word itself carries the weight of a historical chronicle. In this work, Teddy Afro emerges not just as a singer but as a historian. The music sings passionately about Ethiopian civilization, the dignity of its monarchs, and the unity of its people. The meaning of the name, the word Etorika, appears to be a blend of Ethiopia and Historica, history. Through this song, Teddy calls upon us to search for our lost identity. The secret of the lyrics: the emperors and heroes mentioned in the song are not merely a list of names. Each name represents a bloodline connection to the current generation. The composition, by blending the traditional four-cornered chants of Saint Yerd with the modern sound of the Masinko, he anchors the past into the present. Moving to another tower of history, we find Megab Hattie's Dr. Rhodas Taddies. The launch of his new book, Melk SL, The Features of the Image, was a unique event. This is no ordinary book. It is a profound work that analyzes the mystery, interpretation, and history of sacred iconography within the Ethiopian Orthodox Tewahedo Church. Choice of venue: the atmosphere of the launch reflected Ethiopia's antiquity. The book was presented to readers in the presence of great scholars, spiritual fathers, and artists. The content: in his book, Dr. Rhodas explains how a single image can speak more than 1,000 words. Melk SL is a mystical key showing how the paintings on church ceilings and walls connect us to the heavenly realm. The connection, the history that Teddy Afro painted with sound, Dr. Rhodas has solidified through images and scholarly interpretation. Etorika and Melk SL meet at a single point. That point is Ethiopian identity. While Teddy Afro says, "Let our history not perish," in Etorika, Dr. Rhodas tells us to preserve and pass down our history through images and text. The deeds of kings we hear in Teddy Afro's melodies are found analyzed through iconography in Dr. Rhodas's book. One is history heard by the ear, the other is a mystery seen by the eye. Both tell us one truth: that Ethiopia is a source of art, faith, and history. Art reconciles humanity with its history. Teddy Afro's Etorika and Dr. Rhodas's Melk SL are great testaments to this. As a generation, what we learn from these two figures is to examine our history and love our identity. That concludes our stay for today. What do you think about the lyrics of Etorika? And have you read Melk SL yet? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share. Until we meet again with another exciting topic, stay well. That is all for today. Peace be with you.
እርሱ ባዘነው ገብርኤል ከስለት ጀግና ተፈተነ በመደናቀበት ተወከበና 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 ወዲህ ዞር ቢል ሰው የለምና ገብርኤል ሲሆን ቀኙ ዛለና አረም ስቦን ጠጣው ያ ጀግና ንቃ በመንፈስ ለአንድነት ካሳ ተነሳ አንተ የሞትክላት አገር ክብሯ ሳይረሳ አረጀች ያሎ ሰዎቹ ሲያሙሽ ሙሽራ ነሽ ጎንደር ይሰፋል ልብስሽ ዘይደማም 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 ሳይቀላቀለው ህልሙን በወዲህ ይዞ ሳይቀላቀለው ሸሩን በወዲህ ይዞ የሚረዳው አጥቶ ብቻውን ዘቅዝቦ 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 ስንቱን በወዲህ ይዞ የወገቡን እሳት ካፎቱ ላይ መዞ የወገቡን እሳት ካፎቱ ላይ መዞ ጠጥቶላት ሞተ ክንዱ ተንተርሶ አሳዝን እኮይ ካሳ ካሳ የጓራው አንበሳ አንድህን አሳየን ዝግባ የሚያሳክለን አንድ ፍቅር አተን ዝግባ የሚያሳክለን አንድነትን አተን ከፊት የነበርነው ከሰው አላቀርተን አናሳዝንም ወይ ጎንደርና ጎጃም ወሎና ትግራይ ጎንደርና ጎጃም ወሎና ትግራይ ኦሮሞና ተብለት ሆነን አንድ ላይ ጉራጌና ሐረር ዶርዜ ወላይታ ቤንሻንጉል ሶማሌ አፋር ሳይታ ግመሌላ ጠጣ እንደ አፋር ተጉዤ ግመሌላ ጠጣ ቀይ ባህር ተጉዤ አንድ ገመድ አጣብቆ ይልመልሳት ይዤ አናሳዝንም ወይ ገዳሙ 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 ኧረ ገዳሙ 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 ኧረ ገዳሙ 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 ኧረ ገዳሙ ኧረ እንደምነሽ ኧረ እንደምን አለሽ ኧረ እንደምን አለሽ ጎንደርሽ ሹሩ ጎንደርሽ ሹሩ የወርቃሽ መስፋፋት የፍቅርሽ ማማት አንገረብ ሲወጡ ደንበራ መስቀል አንገረብ ሲወጡ ደንበራ መስቀል ቅጥሩ ትዝ ይለኛል ጃንተ ከዋካም አበባ አበባ የጎንደር ከተማ አበባ ማለት ኢትዮጵያን ያዩለት